Hey everybody, Michael the Tutor 16 here. Today I'm going to be doing tutorial number 9 in Windows 10. And the topics for discussion in this tutorial will be that I'm going to show you how to personalize your desktop. And this is part 5 in this particular series. The advantages of personalizing your desktop will be that this will give your desktop view in Windows 10 a personal touch, and you can make it your own. So let's go into Windows 10 and I'm going to show you how to personalize your desktop. As you can see, I've gone into Windows 10, and today I'm going to show you how to customize or personalize your desktop. If you right-click anywhere within your desktop, go down and select Personalize. You'll see a list on your left-hand side. In Tutorial 5, I showed you how to change the background image or graphic for your desktop. In Tutorial 6, I showed you how to change the colors with regards to your start icons. In Tutorial 7, I showed you how to change the graphic image or picture for your background in your lock screen. In Tutorial 8, we discussed how to use the different themes that Microsoft has provided for us, and I even showed you how to download new themes from the Microsoft website. In today's tutorial, which is the 5th tutorial in the series, we're going to be discussing the Start screen. When you click on Start, you'll see a list of choices, and we'll go through each of these choices one by one. Your first choice says Show More Tiles. I normally leave this option turned off because I only want to see the tiles or the programs that I use. Your next choice says Occasionally Show Suggestions in Start. I normally leave this option turned off because I don't want Microsoft giving me tips and tricks on how to use Windows 10 or any of the software packages that I have loaded. If you want to see tips and tricks, you just need to turn this option on. But do know that if it is turned on, you are going to utilize resources from your computer. So if you notice that your computer is running a little slower than normal, just turn this option off. Your next option says Show Most Used Apps. I normally leave this option turned on. I've got it turned off because I want to show you that if I go down to the bottom and click on my Start menu, you won't see Recently Used Apps over here on the left-hand side. But if I turn this option on and then go back to my Start screen, you'll see that my most recently used apps will show up on my screen. And these are the apps that I've used over the past few days. Your next option says Show Recently Added Apps. And I normally leave this option turned on because sometimes I'll forget a program that I've downloaded, and I can always go to this list and see the newer programs that I've added. The next one says Use Start Full Screen. And I normally leave this option turned off. If I go down to my Start screen, you'll see that it only takes up a portion of my desktop. And to exit out of it, the only thing I need to do is just click anywhere within the desktop itself. If I turn this option on and go to my Start menu, you'll see that it'll take up my entire screen. And to exit out of it, I've got to go back and click on my Start menu again. So like I said, I normally leave this option turned off. Your last option says Show Recently Opened Items and Jump Lists on Start or the Taskbar, and I normally leave this option turned off, but you can play around with it to see what you would like. So this is how you customize or personalize your desktop with regards to the Start screen in the Windows 10 operating system. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please subscribe to my YouTube channel by clicking on the subscription button located at the bottom right-hand corner of your screen. If you have any questions or comments, please send them to me, and I'll be more than happy to answer them. I hope you have a great day, and thank you for watching.